Welcome to Furniture Clinic. In this video we will show you how to quickly and easily change the colour of any item made from absorbent fabric when going from a light to a darker colour. For the purposes of this demonstration we will be changing the colour of this fabric chair from a cream to a deep blue. In order to do this we will be using the Fabricoat Upholstery kit containing everything you need to completely change the colour of any fabric item. The first step in any recolouring project is cleaning. For this, use the fabric cleaner and spotter included in the kit. Spray fabric cleaner and spotter liberally over the entire surface being recoloured, then agitate with a Tampico brush as shown. Once this is done, leave it to do its work for 5 minutes, then wipe the entire surface down firmly with a lint-free cloth. This will lift any dirt and excess cleaner away from the upholstery, ensuring a clean surface to begin colouring. After the fabric has been thoroughly cleaned, the colour mix must be prepared. To do this, take the bucket included in the kit and mix the Fabricoat and penetrating solution together using a ratio of 2 parts Fabricoat to 1 part penetrating solution and stir thoroughly. Once the mix has been prepared, pour it into the empty bottle provided. Next, take the feeding tube and insert it into the bottom of the Fabricoat sprayer, then screw the sprayer onto the top of the bottle, ensuring it is securely fastened. Before applying the Fabricoat to the upholstery, it is important to mask off any areas around the fabric that should not be coloured, such as the arms of the chair in this example. When all appropriate areas have been covered, the colour can be applied. To do this, simply take the sprayer and apply directly to the upholstery using regular uniform strokes as shown. To ensure the best coverage, once you have sprayed on an initial coat, spray further coats using strokes from alternate directions and repeat until the desired coverage and depth of colour has been achieved. When complete, take a dry, lint-free cloth and gently wipe the surface as shown. This will aid in the even distribution of the Fabricoat and remove any excess from the material. A quick once-over will suffice for this. When complete, leave the fabric to dry for approximately 24 hours. To finish the process, apply fabric protector to seal in the colourant and protect the fabric. Spray the protector directly onto the surface of the fabric in sufficient volume that the surface being treated appears wet. Cover the entire surface of the upholstery in this manner and allow to dry. As can be seen in the before and after examples shown, with a quick and easy process you can take light coloured upholstery and completely transform it into a darker colour in a few simple steps.